Hello everybody, today I have a special video. I thought I'll try to pick a lock out of the box, and this is a lock I ordered from eBay. It should be rather new, it's still sealed. Maybe we don't need a scissor. I don't know, I haven't seen the brand before. It's called Vorne, like front in German. .com.tr. I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's Turkish. I don't know. Maybe I find some details and put them into the description. So here's the lock. It should be new. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Yeah. Works just fine. I'll show you the key once more. And here's the keyway. Yeah, let's try to pick it. So it looks like a rather wide keyway. Yeah. A bit snug, but should be fine. And let's take this hook in 0.6 millimeters and let's try. First finding all the pins, then I set something in the middle. This is pin 1, pin 2, 5, 6, nothing. Let's try some steeper hook. Two set, 3 set, 4, maybe no, 5, I don't know. So 6 is now binding quite strongly. Yeah, and got it open. Nice. Can I turn it 360 or is another trap? No. But let's not lock it back up because I will need a pinning shoe. Ooh, now I have to get off the C-clip. Let's try how it goes. Maybe I can use my new pliers I got for that. Oh, sorry, you're still in autofocus. Really, I cannot use them at all. I haven't found a lock where I can really use them. I didn't feel any security pins. I don't know. Maybe there are none. Okay. That's gone. So let's grab the core holder and a pinning shoe. Yep, our 6 pins are here. Nothing really special to the lock. And get my front follower. It's tight. And we start from the back. Some tweezers. Okay, so that's chamber 5, not the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to take out the springs. Quite strong springs. I think they're steel. Another standard. Another standard. Another standard. Super strong springs. Another standard and spring. This one didn't shoot out, but it's the same. And let's see. Okay, I will just pull out the front follower. Okay, here comes clutch as well. Yeah, or just standard. So I guess also nothing special on the key pins. Yeah, all key pins also standard. Okay, so these are the pins. 6 pins, all standard, and very strong springs. And I guess, yeah, that's all on this Vorne lock. Maybe manual. And that's just installation, right? Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye.